What is it that drives the surging economy of India? It is the state of Gujarat, India's growth engine. And what is it that makes Gujarat a safe haven to businesses? Is it the state's vibrant environment and commitment to business that attracts entrepreneurs and investors from across the world? Perhaps the long seacoast has an answer. Like a shining beacon in the Gulf of Kutch lies the port of Mundra. This singular port town is the nerve center for economic growth. And located in Mundra is the Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone. With an expanse of over 15,000 hectares, this is the largest port-based SEZ and DTA for manufacturing and supply to the domestic market. Replete with all your business needs and more. An initiative of the Adani Group, one of India's largest business conglomerates, operating in the domain of resources, logistics and energy. An integrated infrastructure business leader. But what is it about the SEZ Mundra that acts like a magnet for businesses across the country? Is it the accrued advantage of logistical connectivity to the hinterland? Through rail, road, air, and seaport. Or is it the easy access to Europe, Middle East and Africa? Could it be the fact that SEZ Mundra is the largest operational and notified multi-product SEZ? Or is it the augmented cluster-based development? Is it the paramount economic benefits that SEZ offers? Or the quick clearances and relaxed labour laws? What is it that appeals to businesses to establish themselves at Mundra SEZ? Is it the high-quality power supply? The great living standards? The educational institutions? DAV and caloric CBSE schools, government industrial training institutes. An innovative process implemented for local youth development on sustainable basis, which includes training the youth for operations in the zone through state-of-the-art industrial training institute at Mundra, engineering, medical and MBA colleges in the vicinity, the state-of-the-art healthcare amenities, or the recreational facilities. Well, it actually is the attention to detail. Customized plots offered to small, medium and large industries. 60 meters and 50 meters wide arterial and sub-arterial roads. Collector-distributor roads 30 meters. Rail sidings can be developed as per user needs. MRO and air cargo hub development planned in earmarked area of 1100 hectares. Single window clearance from the developer SEZ Utilities Private Limited. Abundant quality power availability with connectivity at 220 kV, 66 kV and 33 kV, 11 kV underground network. Integrated logistics solution provided by group companies. Adani Logistics Limited. Easy access to Europe, Middle East, Africa and Americas. Cluster-based approach development. That shows the mark of trust, the mark of Adani, that industrialists and investors across the world have grown to rely on. Lay your trust in the golden future. Lay your trust in Adani SEZ.